everyone, I hope you all are good and fine. Right, my name is Yashika Arora and I'm your maths buddy over here. Right, today we will learn about linear equation in one variable, which is a topic of class 8 or you can say year 8. Right, in this topic, what we're gonna learn in this topic, let me just quickly tell you. After completing this particular session or particular video, what we will able to learn is what are like terms, what are variables, what is linear equation, how to solve linear equation by combining like terms, and how to solve it by reducing the equation into simpler form. Right, so after watching this particular video, you will be able to do all these stuffs and you will be aware about all these stuffs. Right, okay, so let us quickly move towards the first topic firstly. Okay, so here we are having linear equations or linear expressions. Okay, just want to know from you guys that do you know what is equation? Okay, so most of the students says that equation is that thing which we are having, in that we are having left hand side and right hand side, and we are having equal sign also. Right, so if we are having equal sign in equation, this would be known as an equation firstly. Then if I'm talking about what is linear, like if I'm talking about what is linear, let's suppose if if our equation is linear, right? So the highest degree of that particular equation would be only 1. Okay, let me just tell you how is that possible. So here I'm having some example. It's saying 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Here we can see that x is a variable. Firstly, we should know about what is a variable, right? Variable is a lowercase alphabet, you can say. Variable is that particular alphabet which vary according to the situation, right? So it is not fixed, it is not constant. It vary according to the situation, according to the problems, right? So this x is a variable over there, so we have to find what is the power of this variable. Some of the student will say that its power is 0. It's not 0, it's x power as 1. So the highest power in this particular equation we are having as 1. Highest power I'm having as 1. So we can say that this equation would be linear equation in one variable. Yeah, it's a linear equation in one variable. Why I'm saying it as a one variable? Because we are having only one variable in this particular equation as x. Right? As I already told you that the variable is x over here. Okay, so the linear equation, let me just quickly, read this definition. It's saying the linear equation in one variable is an equation which is expressed in the form of ax plus b is equals to 0, where a and b are two integers, where x is a variable and has only one solution. Okay, so here we are having a standard form. This is the standard form of linear equation. Every time whenever you get any linear equation, you will get in this particular form, where the term with x would be known as a. Obviously, the term which is with x, as you can say the coefficient of x also, this would be a. B would be the constant, right, which will not change. Got this? Okay, and this would be equals to 0. Okay, a and b would be two integers. It could be 3, 4, 5, 6, any number, any negative number also, because it's an integer. They are saying x is a variable and has only one solution. This equation is having only one solution. If I just want to find the value of x, it would be 1 in number. Doesn't mean that answer would be 1. No, the solutions, the number of solution I will get is only 1. Okay, so here I'm having the another linear equation, but it is in two variable. So you can say x plus y would be equals to 0. So here I'm having two variables. This would be known as what? Two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Here I am having a linear equation in three variable. This one is three variable, as we are having x, y and z. Okay, let us quickly move ahead. So for solving linear equation, what we should know about is like terms. What is like terms and what is unlike terms? So here I'm having a simple tip for you guys, right? So for if you just want to find what is like terms, so what you can do is you have to check these two criteria. Is that is that okay? or is that eligible for that? Okay, so firstly we will say the same variable, they should have same variable and the same degree, we can say the same power, you can say exponent. Okay, so here I'm having two like terms. This one is 2x and minus 5x. Here I'm having variable, the same variable, it's x, and the degree is also same. Let me just check this one. 6x and 5y. Here I am having two terms, right? These are two terms. It could be, like terms, unlike terms. Let us just quickly tell us, right? So here we are having 6x and 5y. So 6x, it is, variable I am having as x, and the another variable in the another term we are having as y. So this wouldn't be a like term. It's an unlike term. A and A, yes, it would be a like terms. Y and Y square, it is unlike terms, right? So yeah, we can go ahead with this one. I hope you're not having any doubt till now. Okay, so how we can combine like terms to solve the addition of the equation? It's very easy. Let's suppose if I'm having, if I'm having red would be known as a apple. This one is apple. You can easily see this one, right? So here I'm having three apples. Here I'm having one another apple also, so you can just see this one. Here I'm having three apples, this one is two apples. So we will add the like terms, right? So we can say three apples and two apples, it would become five apples. So yeah, five apples, we are combining like terms, right? Here I'm having four oranges, six oranges, this would become 10 oranges. So yeah, this would be, we are adding, we need to add like objectives, like objects, right? Okay, let us quickly move ahead towards the next slide. So what is left hand side and what is right hand side? Firstly, we should know about this one also. So let's suppose if I'm having any equation, the terms, an algebra expression in the inequality involving variables, it has an equality sign, right? The expression on the left of the equality, if we are having any particular terms, left hand side of the equality, equal, you know, equal sign. So what you can say, this would be a left hand side. And if I'm having any expression on the right of the equality sign, this would be known as right hand side. Got this one? And let us quickly know what is variable. I already told you that variable is a lowercase English alphabet which varies according to the situation, right? It depends, it varies depending on the situation and the problems, and we call them as a variable, right? X could be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, anything, and Y could be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and anything. Got this one? Okay, so now here we are having some questions, right? How we can solve equations having the variable on both sides. So here I am having one question which is which we have to solve and find the value of x. Okay, so firstly what we're going to do in this one is to combine the like terms. This is the first step. Always do the first step as combining the like terms. So what we can do is we will combining the like term as 2x and x. 2x and x is these are like terms. So yeah, I'm combining them. It would be 2x. We have to move this x towards left hand side, and it would become 2x minus x is equals to. Now what I will do is this minus 3 will shift towards right hand side. This would become positive 2, and this negative 3 become positive 3 while shifting towards the right hand side. So this would become x is equals to 5. That's all. This would be the answer. I hope you got this one. But let me just tell you in another way also. This would be this will also a correct way. What will we do is 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. Now what should we do is we will subtract x from both sides. I just want to remove this x, right? Okay, so I will subtract x from both sides. What I will get is 2x minus x is minus 3 is equals to x minus x plus 2. This will cut down, and x minus x would be equals to 0. 0 plus 2, and here we are having x minus 3. Now what should we do is I am adding 3 on both sides. Why I'm adding it? Both sides, right? So why I'm adding it? Because I just want to remove this minus 3 from left hand side, right? Okay, so if I will add, it will become as, 3x x minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 2 plus 3. So the answer would be x is equals to 5. This would be the same one. Got this one? That's nice. Okay. So what we have learned in this particular, video, let me just quickly recap you, right? Okay, so we just understand the definition of what is like terms, what are variables, and what about linear equation, right? And how we can combine the like terms to solve the equation, and how we can solve the equation by reducing equations to the simpler form. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.